structure. Then your A structure, A structure,
Okay.
C structure, D structure.
Okay.
Stop it A structure.
Okay.
Stop it A chance. Amazon truck weird stuff. See weirds? That weird. This one down, up. See? This is who can this dance, and the one doesn't know to fly because this has so many. This who operates the core person who operate another person, not those are not garbage.
Okay.
Leather truck Mansi. You know that? What's his name? Dada?
Yes.
No.
Dada.
Baby? No. Daddy? No. Mommy? No. Person? Yeah! Because this is a leather strut. Because this helps it stand up. And the ice comes in here.
Hey,
It
Dada.
will not blow this.
Dada, can you explain your first truck? Is that truck the first one?
No, this one is the leather strut. This helps. This has H, and this is something. It has this. And what letter is this?
H and D. Is that D?
Let me think.
That's D or what's that?
Diamond. This truck, it has who brings diamond, leather.
Okay. And can you explain about your second one?
This has square car. This is H D H. And this car comes to your house and kids won't come and who drives it? Police.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about your third one.
Third one?
Yes.
The mirror?
Third one, third truck.
Top truck?
No. You have already drawn that, the third one.
Which one?
I'm talking about this. Can you explain about this?
This is a vacuum hanger, not hanger. This vacuum hanger, not hanger. This is vacuum holder, throwing the basket, going up the garbage, and this helps to pick like that, and there's no wheels in there. This is you can grab it and pick it. Sometime I'm gonna make more.
Okay.
This is gonna be this. This is another car. Oh, I'm gonna spell one.